This video, if you are looking for how to trade boom and crash successfully, then you need to know the market movement. Okay, once you are able to identify the market movements, you can know the direction of the market for the next few days, probably 10 days, 20 days, so you can know the direction of the market. These are some of the things we will be looking at today: how to identify the exact market movement for a week. Okay, how to identify the exact market movement is what we will be looking at in today's video. So once you are able to identify the exact market movement, then you will know the direction which the market is going. Then you will be able to come to lower time frame to see how you can maximize your profit using this knowledge of the market movement. But before we go fully into that, guys, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel. This is a channel which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself in the Forex niche. So feel free to browse to my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. Okay, that is very vital and important. I used to say this in all my videos. Make sure you practice and perfect your skill first in your demo account before you dive into your real account. Okay, so if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right now. Okay, just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it and set it to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you would like to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. Okay guys, let me quickly say this. A lot of people have been asking me how I've been able to do my analysis and make some profit for myself, how my students have been doing the same thing. But especially for those of you that are joining us in the that are joining my channel whenever I'm doing my $500 trading tips for boom and crash. Okay, which is a trading tips that I usually throw out in the night. Okay, so that you guys can take advantage of. Most of you that have been taking advantage of that, I'm really happy that you guys are really making lots and lots of profit with that. But at the same time, there are so many questions coming up from there asking me how I was able to know if the markets will go in that direction, and come up boldly on the channel in order to explain all this on the channel, and they've been taking advantage of it, and it has been giving them so much profit at the end of the day. So so many questions have been coming up on that. That is why I have decided to reveal this secret to you, and the secret will be revealed in the during the course of this video. Okay, and that is how you can identify the direction of the market for like a week, a month, and thereabout. That way you will be able to guide yourself whenever you are doing your daily analysis, and I'm going to show you how I've been doing this. Okay, for those of you that joined me in the night during the $500 trading tips. Okay, yesterday night. Okay, I believe you milked the market. Everything that we predicted went out successfully. Boom also sold after the breakout. Boom 1000 sold after the breakout. Boom 500. I okay For boom 500, let me quickly check. Boom 500. Okay, boom 500. I said you should wait for the breakout, which is the one which is the reason for putting this blue line right there. You can see it didn't break out from there, so that is why that is a trade that you shouldn't trade, because it didn't break out, because I said you should wait for the breakout before you buy. So eventually it didn't break out. The resistance was so strong, so this is the only one that you won't be able to trade. But for boom 1000, crash 1000, and crash 500, they all went as predicted. Boom 500 also didn't break out. I mean, boom 500 didn't break out at all, so you won't be able to trade it, because I said you should wait for the breakout before you should go into it. Okay, so that is it. So I'm really happy that you guys, I saw all your results, they are fantastic. I'm really happy that you took advantage of it. For those of you that have been missing out on this, you can join us today again in the evening Nigerian time. I'm going to come live again and do my analysis, but that is not what we are doing right now. So let's go back into what we've got today, which is how to know the exact market movement before we jump into the trade. This market movement can help us to know what to look out for days. Okay, it can help us to know what to look out for days. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, if the market movement shows that the market is going to be on downtrend for a very long time. Okay, it can be on downtrend from day 1 to day 20. Okay, this can be on downtrend from day 1 to day 20. But there is one thing I want you to know. Okay, you can see that the direction is more of downtrend than uptrend. Okay, it's more of downtrend than uptrend, but that does not mean that there are no small uptrend in between. Okay, as you can see, there are little small uptrend in between. So all these are very, very important. Even though the market is generally on downtrend, but there are little uptrends in between. So those little uptrends are very, very important on, I mean, whenever you are trading on lower time frame. Okay, if you focus on this directly and you are using on a you are using a small trading capital, then when the market is on uptrend on lower time frame, you are likely to lose out on your trading capital before it will go back on the downtrend. So that is one thing I want you to know, that is very, very important. That is why your trend, you knowing your trend, your support and resistance level, and your entry point and your exit point are very, very important. So let's go straight to the trading platform so that we will get to know all these. Okay, this is the trading platform, and I welcome you to Qora Digital Cash once again. Okay, the trading platform, on this trading platform, the indicator I'm using is called the trend, the QDC scraper indicator, this QDC scraper indicator, and it will help us to do our analysis effectively. So for us to know what we should look out for at the long run, all we need to do is to take our chart down to day 1, guys. Let's take it down to day 1. Okay, so we are now on day 1. Let me reduce what I have on my chart so that it won't look too busy for you guys, so that I want you guys to understand everything I will be explaining in today's video. Okay, so that you will know how to go about it. So that is what I want. Okay, I'm coming, just a few more minutes. Okay, just trying to reduce some of the trend lines on the charts so that we can move on from there. Okay, pick this from here. Okay, I think I've been able to reduce it. So like I said, whenever you are trading this, all you just need to do is to make sure you have your chart. I mean, whenever you want to know your market movement, all you need to do is to have your chart on daily time frame. Okay, when you have your chart on daily time frame, you can see that each of the candles represents a day. Okay, the new candle that is being formed now is a daily candle. Okay, in case you are not seeing it very well, let me zoom it out a bit. Okay, you can see it right here is a daily candle, and it is a bearish candle, which means that for today, boom 1000 is more of a bear period, is more in a bear period than in a bull period, which means it is more of a downtrend than a sell I mean than an uptrend. Okay, so that is for today. You can see the bearish candle that is being created. Okay, so if you go to lower time frame, you're going to see it right there that it is going down more. You can see it. This is 5 minute time frame. You can see that it is selling at this particular point. But let's go back to day one. Let's go back to day one because I want to show you what the market movement is all about so that you will understand how to go about it. Let me zoom it out a bit. Okay, this is it. Okay, guys, since each of the candles on this chart represents 1 day, you can see the market movement from here. You can see the downtrend right from here, the downtrend right from here to this level, okay. You can see it right from here to this level, which means within this region to this region the market was just going on downtrend. Okay, was on downtrend. Then right from here it has been trying to pull back up on an uptrend. Okay, even though the uptrend is not as significant as that of downtrend, but it is still an uptrend. Okay, it went up right from that support level to this level. So that is the market movement. And check out the number of days that this market used to move right from here to this level. Okay, that actually took how many days? Okay, the downtrend movement started on the that was in 2020, September 29, 2020 to 2021 January 9th. Okay, you can see that, and it went for a very long time. It went for a very long time. So that is the market movement. That is why I said with the market movement you can know what the market will give to you at a very long run. And how do we know this? Okay, thank God for the trend indicator. This trend indicator is amazing, right? Okay, it is amazing. Right from here it has given us an hint that the market will be going on a very on a downtrend right from this period. And check it out, it went down, it keeps on going down and down and down to this level. It is more of a downtrend than uptrend. The same thing is applicable to this. Okay, when it came, the trend came to an end right here, it came to an end right here, and it started going up. That is why we have more of spikes these days than the other way around. But there is one thing I want you to know. Okay, there is one thing I want you to know. This does not mean that there won't be any downtrend around this period at all. Of course there will be. Check it out, it's going up. It went up on these particular days, and it came down again, went up again, then came down again, went up again, then came down again. Of course, if you follow the arrows, the arrow will let you know that it is going to come down at that particular time within this period. So it does not mean it won't go up. Of course it will be going up and down, but it will be more of down than up. Okay, so that is why we have this. Okay, the trend is actually guiding us in order to do this successful. Let's check out other assets. This is crash 1000. Let's see what we've got right here on crash 1000. For crash 1000 you can see that this is daily time frame also. Let's check out what is happening. Okay, before we check out what is happening today, okay, for crash 1000 we can see that the trend started from here. It started from here and it started going down and down and down to this level. Okay, so which means it is more of downtrend than uptrend all this while. It is more of downtrend. This is the market movement, guys. This is the market movement. So it is more of downtrend than uptrend at this particular period. Okay, but right now it is now turning from downtrend to uptrend. So this might go for long. Okay, this will definitely go for long. And at this period, let's check out what we have for today. Let me zoom it out a bit. You can see that this is daily time frame. Yesterday was a bullish candle. Yesterday was a bullish candle. The day before yesterday was also a bullish candle. 3 days ago was also a bullish candle starting from this support level. Today also it has started its bullish candle again. So we are most likely to have more of bullish candle than downtrend candle, except if it is finding it difficult to break this resistance level alone. That is when it will crash down a bit and start all over again. Okay, so that is it. So you need to take note of all this. Let's check out boom 500 just for you to see how powerful the market movement is. Once you know the market movement, then you will be well guided whenever you are trading. So let's check out. This is boom 500. I'm going to take it to daily time frame. Okay, this is daily time frame. Good. This is daily time frame. We can see this right here. We can see this right here. You can see that the market movement started from here. The downtrend market movement started from here and it went down to this level. It came to an end right here. It came to an end right here. Isn't that amazing, guys? Isn't that amazing? So let's check out the performance of today's market. Let's check out the performance of today's market right here. I'm trying to give you an hint on what to look out for today, even as I am doing today's video. Okay, so I'm trying to give you an hint on it. Okay, as I'm checking out today's market, that will help you to know the trend of the market for the day. Okay, it will help you to know the trend of the market for the day. So I want to try and zoom it out a bit so that you guys will see it properly. You can see that it is creating. Yesterday it was a bearish period. It was a bearish candle. Today also it is also creating that bearish candle. If it breaks this support level successfully, it's going to be bearish all through or in most of the period for the day. Okay, so but if it does not, it's going to spike up a bit. Okay, but this does not mean it's not going to spike at all, but it is more of a downtrend today than uptrend. I mean, at this moment it is more of a downtrend than uptrend because it is creating a bearish candle at the moment. Okay, so you guys can take advantage of this. It has been creating this for hours, so you guys can take advantage of this for boom 500. Let's check out what is happening with crash 500. Let's also check it out to see the market movement right here. So I'm going to take it to day one to see the market movement. Okay, you can see that the market was on uptrend before. That is why we had this uptrend movement to this level, but immediately it got to this level, it changed from uptrend to downtrend. Then if you should check it out, it started coming down. You can see it came down right away, right from here to this level. Okay, it has gotten to this level now. You can see the downtrend. Okay, you can see the sweet downtrend. Okay, I'm very sure you guys will be thinking, I mean, what will be going on in your head right now is, how come I didn't know all this while? I'm very sure if you had known all this, or if all the gurus out there have explain all this to you, you guys will be milking the market successfully. So that is why I always want to give you the best on my channel. I always want to reveal every secret that is giving me money on this platform, because like I always tell you, the main purpose of all these training videos are for you to make some money for yourself. Okay, so when I ask you to do some things and you don't do it, then you are not doing the right thing, you are not helping yourself. So that is why I always advise you to, when I ask you to do something, I always advise you to do it, because that will help you to make out some money for yourself at the end of the day. And when you make the money, you are not sending it to me, you are using it for your own personal use. That is an advantage for you guys. Okay, if you should check out all this while that I've been showing you the daily time frame, you will have seen all these small arrows, on them. Okay, those are the advantages that I took while the market movement was going in that direction. I can take it backward again. Let me go to boom 500. You can see all the small arrows. Those are the orders that I took during the period. You can see so many of them on the chart. So if I'm not trading, then you won't be seeing them on the chart. If I'm not trading, you won't be seeing them on the chart. You can see this. You can see the cluster of arrows that are here. Okay, if I'm not trading, you won't see them on the chart. So I teach you what I am doing. That is what I teach you. You can see the market's movement. It went from here down to this level. Right now it is trying to trend into an uptrend, but it will find it difficult to break out successfully, but it is going back on uptrend, and be prepared for that, guys. On crash 500 we'll be experiencing more of uptrend than downtrend within the next few days now. Okay, so that is how amazing it is. So let's check out what is going to happen on today's candle. Okay, for today's candle, it is still giving us more of a bearish movement than a bullish movement. So for crash 500, it is still giving us more of a bearish movement than a bullish movement, but later in the day it might go on a bullish movement fully. Okay, so you guys can take advantage of that because the trend is actually changing from downtrend to uptrend. So that is how amazing this is. That is how amazing this is. So you guys can check it out, watch this video over and over, go back to your chart, take it to day one, then try to see the market movement and see for yourself how you will have milked the market successfully if you had known this strategy all this while. Okay, so I want you to practice with this. I want you to check out how I'm checking my how I'm checking my daily chart and how I'm doing my analysis based on the daily chart. I want you to do this on your own so that you will get used to it. These are what we call, when I tell you, if you know your TA very well, then you will be able to do this without all these custom made indicators. This is part of what I am talking about, guys. So you guys can also take advantage of this whenever you are trading. So I'll be stopping right here. Remember, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. You can watch this video over and over just for you to understand everything I have highlighted in this video, and you can go back to your chart, have this set up on your chart, and it will help you to analyze the market better and be able to take a better decision whenever you are trading. Okay, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so that you can benefit from all these training videos that I usually put on on this channel every day. Okay, and if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.